Fine. Good morning to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So warm greetings to you all students. Welcome to our today's online class. So now we are studying about chapter 9. So what's the title of our chapter? So Introduction to C++. So in this chapter we are studying about a new programming language called C++. So isn't it? So what are the things you have studied in this chapter? Sorry, remembering? So last class what are the things I have taught? So constants you have studied, isn't it? Literals or constants. So what are the constants you have studied? Just recall. So before we are going to study about today's portion, just recall what are the things you have studied at the last class. Okay. So last class what are the things I have taught? Literals. What are the literals you have studied? Numeric literals. Then inside the numeric, integer consonants, decimal, octal, hexadecimal, real, then escape sequences, lot of things you have studied, isn't it? That's an important 5-mark question. So today we are going to study one important 5-mark question. Understand? So today we are going to study one important, very important question, operators in C++. Okay, so very important question. Okay, so please listen carefully. Very easy also this one. So the same questions you are going to study in your 12th standard also. So please listen carefully. Same question only. Okay. So what do you mean by operators? Okay. So important 2-mark question. What do you mean by operators and operands? So what do you mean by operator means? So symbols used to denote some mathematical or logical operations are called as operators. Okay. So what's the meaning of this one? The symbols you are using some symbols to do some mathematical calculations. Okay. That is called operators. So what are the symbols you will use to do some mathematical calculations? So what are the symbols? Say some examples of some symbols. Plus, minus, into, then multiplication, division, modulus, equal to, isn't it? Lot of symbols. So you are using in maths. For doing what? What's the purpose of plus? So to add 2 or 3 numbers. So what's the use of minus? To subtract 2 or 3 numbers. So what's the use of multiplication into mark? To multiply 2 or 3 numbers, isn't it? So the symbols, the plus symbol is doing addition of 2 or 3 the operands. That is called what? Operators. Understand what I mean by operators? The symbols you are going to do, using the symbols you are going to do some mathematical calculation. That is called what? Operators. Understand? Next one is operands. What do you mean by operands? Okay. So the values or data items act on the operators called operands. That is, for example, you are adding 2 numbers a plus b. Okay, adding 2 numbers a plus b. So a plus b means which is the operator, plus is the operator. Okay, so without you are specifying the values, a and b, simply you are putting plus. Whether you will get the answer, whether you can able to calculate, no. So you should substitute values for the variables, isn't it? So variables that are act on the operands that are. So the values that operators act on it called operands. For example, so see the example, then only you will get understand. Okay. So 5 plus 6. Okay. 5 plus 6. So here, which is the operator? Which is the operator? Symbols used for doing calculation. So which symbol you are using here? Plus. So plus is the operator. Next, values that operators act on. So what are the values here they are acting? 5 and 6. Here down means A and B. That is called what? So what are the variables we are using here? A and B. That is called operands. Understand? So sometimes they will give like this equations and ask you to find, identify operator and operands. Okay, so you should identify. Understand? So understand the difference between operator and operand. Operator means symbols. Operands means the variables you are going to perform addition or subtraction, any calculations, the variables you are using or values you are using. So that we are calling as an operands. Understand? Yes. So in C++, so the operators are classified based on the operands. Okay. So in C++, the operators are classified based on which one? Operands. Okay. So here there are mainly three types of operators they have given. Okay. So many kind of operators are there, but here they are giving only three kinds of operators. Understand? So first one is unary operator. Okay. So second one is binary operator. Third one is ternary. Okay. First one is which one? Unary. Second one is binary. Third one is ternary. Okay. So name itself having unary. Unary means one. Always the meaning of unary means one. Okay. So here unary operators always require only one operand. Understand? So the unary operators always require how many operands? Only one operand. That means A or B or C. Only one. Understand? But binary means it will require two operands. Okay, binary means always what? Two. Okay. For example, A plus B. So how many operands are there? A plus B means 2. What are they? A and B. Understand? Then ternary means it will require how many operands? 3 operands. For example, A plus B plus C. So how many operands are there? 3. A, B and C. So understand what do you mean by unary? So unary means it will require only one operand. That means A or B or C, any one. Binary means it will require 2 operands. That means A plus B or A minus B. Ternary means 3. For example, A plus B plus C or A into B into C. 3 operands it will require. So understand the difference between unary, binary and ternary? Yes. Okay. Then again we are going to study the classification of different operators. Okay. So again we are going to study about classification of different operators. Understand? Okay. So again we are going to study about classification of binary operators. Okay. So in binary operators already we have studied unary, binary and ternary. Isn't it? So in binary operators there are lot of classifications are there or lot of types are there. Okay. So we are going to study about each type one by one. Very very important question. Okay. So type of operators and also very easy. Listen carefully. First one is arithmetic operator. What's the first type of binary operator? Arithmetic operator. Okay. So name itself having arithmetic. Okay. So arithmetic means so it will do always arithmetic operations. So what are the arithmetic operations you have studied in maths? Say and say what are the arithmetic operations you have studied in maths? Are you remembering? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the common arithmetic operations. Okay. So what are the common arithmetic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. So here this arithmetic operators will perform all these arithmetic operations. So that kind of operators are called which one? Which operator? Arithmetic operators. Understand? So what do you mean by arithmetic operators? So arithmetic operator means it will perform arithmetic calculations. So what are the arithmetic calculations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Okay. So in this question they ask for 5 mark question means so you should write the heading. First you should write the heading. Then explain what do you mean by that operators. Then this tabular column with example. Okay. So each heading you should explain with this heading. Then explanation, tabular column with example. Then only you will get full 5 mark. Understand? So listen. So here this tabular column also you should mention this operator, then operation and example. Very very important questions. So what are the operators you used to study in arithmetic operator? Addition. So what's the symbol? Plus, minus, star, division and modulus. Percentage. Okay. Plus is for addition. Minus is for subtraction. Then star is for, so in computers always you used to give the symbol star for multiplication. Okay, which symbol used to for giving multiplication? Star. Okay, star Then division slash modulus percentage. Okay. Then what's the name of the operation? Plus means addition, minus means subtraction, star means multiplication, slash means division, then percentage means modulus. Okay, so what's the difference between division and modulus means? So division, you divide the numbers and you will write the quotient as the answer. Okay, so you are dividing the number, so you will write the quotient as the answer for division. But modulus just opposite, you will always used to write remainder as the answer. Understand? For division you will write quotient as the answer, and modulus means you will write always remainder as the answer. That's the difference between division and modulus. Understand? Then example, addition 10 plus 5 15. Then subtraction minus 10 minus 5 15. Then multiply 10 into 5 50. 10 divided by 5, so you will get answer 2. That's the quotient. Then 10 divided by 3, you will get the remainder. 3 3 is 9, so remainder you will get as 1. So that's the answer for modulus. Understand? Okay. So here we are studying about under binary operators, isn't it? So binary operators always require how many operands? Binary means always require 2 operands, isn't it? So here how many operands are there? 2. A plus B. 2 operands are there, isn't it? So it will come under binary operands. So it will always require minimum of 2 operands. Understand? Understand about arithmetic operators? Yes. Then, so in arithmetic operators, there are 2 types of operators. Again, they are classifying these arithmetic operators into 2 types. What are they means? Increment operators and decrement operator. Okay. So, what are the 2 types of operators come under arithmetic operators? Increment operator and decrement operator. Okay. So, increment operator means 2 plus symbols. Okay, which symbol is used for increment operator? Plus 2 plus symbol. That means plus comma plus. So 2 plus symbol is used for increment operator. Okay. Then minus. 2 minus symbol is used for decrement operator. Very, very important. 1 mark question. So which symbol is used for increment operator? 2 plus symbol. Which symbol is used for decrement operator? 2 minus symbol. Okay. But here this will come under unary operator. That's very, very important. Okay. So increment and decrement operators always come under which operator? Unary. But arithmetic operators you have studied. Arithmetic operator will come under which one? Binary. Why? So it will require minimum 2 operands. A plus B. B plus B. Isn't it? 2 operands. But increment and decrement operators always come under unary. Why? Unary means unary operator always will require only 1 operand. Okay. So here this increment and decrement operators are come under which one operator? Unary. Okay. So what's the meaning of plus plus means? So it will add 1 to the operand. For example, I mean x plus plus. Okay. I leave it. X plus 5 plus plus. Okay. 5 plus plus. What's the meaning means it will add 1 to the value. 5 plus plus means 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus plus. What's the meaning? 7 plus 1, 8. So, it will add the value 1 to the previous value and store the value to the variable. For example, x plus plus. So, what value you are giving for x, that value will add it. For example, x equal to 5. You are giving x plus plus. What's the meaning? 5 plus plus means 5 plus 1, 6. So, the value 6 is stored to the value variable x. Understand? That's the use of increment and decrement operator. Okay. So, see the one example they are giving. So, x plus plus, the increment operator can be denoted as like this. X plus plus or plus plus x. So, either the symbol plus plus is represented in prefix or postfix. Prefix means before the symbol, before the variable. Postfix means after the variable. Okay. So here x plus plus or plus plus x. So both have the same meaning. Understand? Both have the same meaning. For example, x plus plus means what's the meaning? Means x equal to x plus 1. Okay. That means it will add the value 1 to the variable x. Understand what's the meaning of x plus plus? It will add 1 to the value of x, that is x plus 1. Understand? And that only they are giving. It will add 1 to the present value of x. Same thing, x minus minus or minus minus x. What's the meaning? X equal to x minus 1. So it will subtract 1 from the previous present value. For example, x minus 1. The value of x is 5 means it will subtract 5 minus 1. The value is 4. Understand about increment and decrement operator? Yes. So this operator can be placed either prefix or postfix. So this one we are calling as an increment or decrement operator. So understand about increment and decrement operator? This is all very very important. So later chapters we are going to study about this programming in very detail. So at that time you should know about this working concepts of increment and decrement operator. Understand? Yes. Then second type of operator is relational operator. Okay. So what's the second type of operator? Relational operator. Okay. So name itself having relational. So here also it will require at least 2 operands. Okay. So you are going to find relations between 2 operands. Okay. So 2 operands is there means. Operands means nothing but variables. A, B, C. That is called operands. Okay. So if you need to find relation between this values means it will require how many operands minimum? 2. Understand? So only they are giving relational operators are applied to 2 operands. Okay. So this relational operator is mainly used to find relationship between operators. Okay. So this operator is mainly used to find relationship between operands. Okay. So after finding relationship, it will return the Boolean value as the output. Okay. What's the Boolean value? So the second chapter you have studied about Boolean values. What are the Boolean values you have studied? 1 and 0. That means 1 means true or 0 means false. Isn't it? Understand about relational? It will determine relation between 2 operands. So it will what's output you will get as a Boolean value, either 1 or 0. Understand? So in C++ there are 6 relational operators are there. Okay. So each heading there will be separate operators. You should study thorough about each operators. Very very important question again and again I am telling. Okay. So here how many relational operators are there in C++? 6. What are they means? Greater than, see, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to and not equal to. Okay. So this symbols and all already you have studied in maths very thorough. Isn't it? So this is the symbol for greater than. Symbol for less than. This is greater than or equal to. This is less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to. So this symbols and all you are already familiar, isn't it? So example they are giving, see, symbol A less than B or A greater than B, A greater than or equal to B, or A less than or equal to B, or A double equal to B, or A not equal to B. Understand? Yeah. So what's the meaning? A less than or B or greater than or B. What's the meaning? It will compare the 2 operands. What are the operands? A and B. So sometimes A will be greater, sometimes B will be greater, isn't it? So either you will write the answer true or false. True means the value you will get as 1. False means you will get as 0. Okay. So it will require minimum 2 operands. So it will come under which operator? Binary operator. Okay. But increment and decrement operator will come under unary. Why? Only one variable, isn't it? X plus plus or plus plus x. So only one operand. But here it will require 2 operands. So it will come under which operator? Binary operators. Understand? Yes. So next one is logical operators. Okay. So what's the next type of operator? Logical operator. Okay. So the logical operator. So logical operator means immediately you need to remember about second chapter. Okay. Immediately you need to remember about second chapter. So second chapter you have studied about logic gates. Isn't it? Second chapter you have studied about logic gates. So what are the logic gates you have studied? Many kinds of logic gates you have studied, isn't it? So what are the fundamental logic gates you have studied? What are the fundamental gates? AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, isn't it? So here also this logical operator is used to perform the logical and relational expressions. Understand? So here it is combination of both relational as well as logical expressions. Understand what do you mean by relations? Relational operator greater than, less than, that symbols. What do you mean by logical? And, or, and, not. So the combination of both logical as well as relational operators give the logical operators. Okay. So these operators act on the operands we are calling as an logical expressions. Okay. So the logical operators act on the operands is called which one? Logical expressions. Understand? So listen. So there are three logical operators are there. For that only first itself I said the fundamental, there are three fundamental logic gates. Isn't it? Same only. So here also there are three logical operators are there. What are they means? And, or, and, not. Okay. So already you have studied thorough about AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Isn't it? So AND. So this is the symbol for AND. Okay. So this is a symbol for AND. 2 ampersand symbol. This is a symbol. This and all very, very important. Okay. Symbols and all. So this is a symbol for OR. Pipe operator. This is a symbol for NOT. Okay. So operation. This means AND, or, and, not. So already you have studied. What do you mean by AND? AND gate truth table. When you will get the value 1. If both the inputs are 1 means only you will get the answer as 1. Otherwise 0. Isn't it? Likewise they are giving. So based on the expressions. If both the expressions are true means you will get the answer true. Otherwise you will get the answer as a false. Okay. That only they are giving. Then OR. OR also at least one of the expression is true means you will get that means 1 is there means also 1 0 or 0 1. If 1 is present means also you will get the answer 1, otherwise 0. That only they are giving. Not means just a reverse of the opposite. That means negates or inverts. 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Understand about logical operators? Yes. So here they are giving C and, or. So just think and say AND and OR are binary operators. NOT is an unary operator. Why? Because NOT gate always have the input signal only 1. Is A means just an invert of A bar. B means B bar. So NOT is a which operator? Come under unary operator. But AND and OR have two operands. So two operands means it will come under binary operators. Understand? Yes. Listen, they have given example A equal to 5, B equal to 6 and C equal to 7. So in a book also they have given same thing only. Okay, just you write A less than B. So what's A less than B? 5 less than 6. So the answer is true. 5 less than 6. Next, B 6 less than 7. So both the things are true only. 6 is less than 7. See. So both the things are true. Both the things are true means answer you will get as a true. That means 1. Understand? Next, A greater than B. 5 greater than 6. Whether it is correct? 5 greater than 6? No, false. Then 6 greater than 7. Whether it is false? No. So the answer you will get as a false. So substitute the values here and just find out. Then only you will understand how the answer you are getting. Next, listen. A less than B. So 5 less than 6. Okay, it is true. Then B less than 6, 6 less than 7. Both the conditions are true. So what's the answer? OR operator means any one is there means also one condition is true means also you will get the answer true. Isn't it? Next. A. So A greater than B. 5 greater than 6. Okay. So they are giving 5 greater than 6. Whether it is true? No. Not true. But just it is opposite. Okay. So sorry. 5 greater than 6. Whether 5 is greater than 6? No, the answer is false. So what's the opposite of false? True. Not means just invert, isn't it? So answer you are getting as a false. Just opposite means answer you will get as a true. So understand about this logical operator. So 3 kinds of operators you have studied. What are the? Arithmetic, relational and logical. Understand? Yes. So next one is the assignment operator. Okay. Assignment operator. Okay. So what's the use of assignment operator mean? So it is used to assign a value to the variable. Okay. So what's the use of assignment operator? It will use to assign a value to the variable on the left hand side of assignment statement. For example, you give a equal to 5. So what's the meaning? So it will assign the value 5 to the variable a. B equal to 7. What's the meaning? It will assign the value 7 to the variable b. Okay. So always it will, see here one example they are giving a equal to 32. So what's the meaning? It will assign the value 32 to the variable a. So what are the values you are giving in the left hand side? So it will assign the value to the variable you are given in the right hand side. Okay. So which symbol is used for assigning the value? Equal to. Very, very important one more question. So dash is commonly used to the assignment operator. Which symbol is used as assignment operator? Equal to symbol. Okay. So a equal to 32 means you know. So value of a is 32. So which symbol is used for giving assignment operator? Equal to symbol. Understand? So this is common for all the programming languages. The assignment operator is common. Equal to symbol only we are going to use in assignment operator. Okay. So what's the meaning of this one? It will assign or copy the value. What are the value you are assigning at the right hand side? It will assign the value to the left hand side variable. That is 32 is assigning to the variable a. Okay. So this also we can call as binary operator. You can assign a comma b equal to 10 comma 5. So here also we can say two operands are there. So now they in example they are giving only one operand. You can also assign a comma b equal to 5 comma 10. 2 or 3 operands you can mention. So this also called as which operator? Binary operator. Understand? Yes. So listen. So this are called, then see there are lot different types of assignment operators are there. Okay. So now we are studying about which language? C++, isn't it? So in C++, there are different types of assignment operators are there. Okay. So this assignment, what's the other name of assignment operator means? Shorthand assignment operators. Okay. So what's the name, other name of assignment operators? Important one more question. Shorthand assignment operators. Understand? So this all the symbols are used under assignment operator. What are symbols means? Okay. Plus equal to. So already you have studied about arithmetic operators, isn't it? So arithmetic operators, what are the symbols you are using? Along with the symbol you should put equal to. That's the difference between assignment and assignment operator. Okay. Okay. What are the symbols you have used under arithmetic operator? The same symbols are only you are using here with the along with the equal to. Understand? So listen. First one is plus. What are the arithmetic symbols? Plus, minus, into, slash, division and modulus. So plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, modulus equal to. Okay. So plus equal to mean what's the meaning? Addition assignment. Minus equal to means subtraction assignment. Star equal to means multiplication assignment. Slash equal to means division assignment. Modulus equal to means modulus assignment. Understand? Yes. See this example. So they have given a equal to 10. Okay. Listen carefully. A equal to the value of a is 10. But c equal to a plus equal to 5. So what's the value of c they are giving? C equal to a plus equal to 5. What's the meaning of this one means? A plus equal to 5 means a plus 5. That's the meaning. Understand? A plus equal to 5 means what's the meaning? A plus 5. That is a equal to a plus 5. So what's the value of a? 10. 10 plus 5. So answer is 15. So the value of c is 15. Understand? Plus equal to means it will add the variable with the value. Understand? Next one, subtraction. A equal to 10, c equal to a minus equal to 5. What's the meaning? A minus equal to means a minus 5. So what's the value of a? 10. 10 minus 5, the answer is 5. Next, a equal to c equal to a star equal to 5. So a star equal to means a star 5. So 10 star 5 is 10 into 5, 50. Then division also like that. 10 divided by 5, 2. Then a star, that means the value is divided by this one. Understand? Understand the difference between assignment operators and arithmetic operations and assignment operator? Yes. So next one is conditional operator. Okay, so what's the next kind of operator? Conditional operator. Very, very important question, conditional operator. Sometimes they will ask for 3 more question. Okay, explain with example about conditional operator. Okay, so what are things you are studying here? The same question, same thing you are going to study in 12th standard also. So please study thorough this question. Very, very important. Okay, so here there is only one conditional operator. Okay, how many conditional operators are there totally? Only one conditional operator. So which symbol is used as a conditional operator? Means this symbol. See, very, very important. One more question. This question mark colon. Okay, which symbol is used for conditional operator? This symbol. Question mark colon is a conditional operator. So what's the other name of conditional operator? Means ternary operator. Okay, so what's the other name of conditional operator? Ternary operator. Very, very important. One more question again and again I am telling. Okay, so what's the other name of conditional operator? Ternary operator. Okay, so in C++ there is only one conditional operator. What's the symbol you are using for conditional operator? Question mark colon. Okay, so other name of conditional operator is called ternary operator. Okay, so this operator is we can use instead of if else. So this is if else, if and all we will study in detailed about in later chapters. Okay, now no need to bother about that one. So you will think don't think about this and all, if else, that and all we will study in later chapters. Okay, so instead of using this if else we can use this conditional operator, or instead of conditional operator you can use if else statement. Understand, very, very important question. Sometimes the question they will ask, explain, define about ternary operator. Okay, don't think ternary operator is not there. So other name of conditional operator is ternary operator. The symbol used for ternary operator is question mark colon. Understand? So next one is some other operators. Okay, next one is other operators. So other operators, first one is comma operator. Okay, so in other operators, what's the first operator? Comma operator. Okay, so normally what's the use of comma? So if we need to separate 2 or 3 symbols, for example A, B and C, how you will write? A, comma, B, comma, C. So mainly this operator we are used for separating the values. Isn't it? Likewise, so this operator in C is used to string together several expressions. For example, A plus B, comma, B plus B. So lot of expressions are there. So if you need to separate the expressions by using the symbol comma. See, the group of expressions is separated by comma. From left to right. For example, A plus B. Then next one, B plus C, comma. Then C plus D. So left to right, it will separate the symbol using comma. Understand? Yes. Next one is the size of. Okay. So important one more question. Dash is called compile time operator. So while I am taking class itself, I used to say this is the important 1 more question, 2 more question. Please at that time itself, please mark it with pencil in your computer book. Okay. So what's the other name of size of operator? Compile time operator. Okay. So what's the use of size of mean? So it will return the size of a variable in bytes. What do you mean bytes? Zeros and ones. So if you are declaring one variable in program, so it will allocate some spaces in memory. Okay. So if it will allocate some spaces in memory. So size of operator will give the result how much space it will occupy. What's the size of the variable occupied in the memory in bytes. Understand what's the use of size of operator? So only we are calling other name of size of operator is compile time operator. Okay. So next one is pointer. This is very, very important. Okay, other operators. All the operators are very, very important. Pointer. So which symbol you are using for pointer means star as well as ampersand. Okay. So which symbol is used for pointer operator? Star as well as ampersand. So this operator is used to give address of a variable. Okay. So if you are giving, for example, in a program you will give A, comma, B, comma, C. So if you are declaring 3 variables in the memory, so it will allocate 3 spaces for the variables. A for A, 1 space, B for 1 space and C for 1 space. And also it will give address for the each variable in the memory. Okay. So if you are giving 3 variables in the program, so it will assign spaces for the three variables a, b and c. Next it will assign address for each variable. Okay, so in the memory it will give some addresses for each variable. So this pointer operator will return address for the variable. Okay, so what's the use of pointer? This operator is used to represent or give the output as the address of a variable. Understand? Yes. Next one is the component selection. Okay, what's the next operator? Component selection. Okay, so there are two symbols are used for component selector. What are they means? Dot as well as this one, arrow mark. Okay, how many symbols is used for our component selection? Two. What are they? Dot as well as arrow mark. Dot is used for direct component. Okay, dot is used for direct component and arrow mark is used for indirect component. Which symbol is for direct component selector? Dot. Which is for indirect component selector? Arrow mark. Understand? Yes. Then class member operators. This and all we will study detailed in later chapters. Okay. Next one is class member operators. Okay. So class member operators also there are two symbols are there. Not two symbols, three symbols. Okay. First one is this one. See this symbol. This is very important. Later we will study later about the symbols. At that time I will ask what's the symbol for scope operator. So you should say. So which is symbol? This 2 colon. Okay. This symbol is used for scope or resolution operator. What's the name of this? Each and every symbols will have separate names. Okay. So you should study thorough about this name of the symbols. So which symbol is used for scope? This one 2 colon scope. What's the name of this symbol? Scope or resolution operator. Okay. So next one is see dot with star. Okay, dot with star. What's the name means? Dereference. Okay, what's the name of the symbol? Dereference. Okay. Next arrow mark with star. Dereference pointer. Okay. So what are the symbols you have studied? What are the operators? Comma operators, size of, pointer, component selection and class member. Comma means you know the symbol comma. Size of means it will return the size of a variable. Pointer means two symbols. What are they? Star as well as ampersand. It will return the address of a variable. Component selection means two symbols. What are they? Dot for direct components, arrow mark for indirect component. Then class member means three symbols. Scope means 2 colon. Then dereference means dot with star. Then dereference pointer means always pointer is there means star will be there. Okay, symbol. Arrow mark with star. Understand? Yes. So next one is precedence of operators. What do you mean by precedence? Precedence means nothing but priority. Okay. For example, if you are in a you are going to write one program with a algebra program, algebraic expressions you are going to write. So there, for example, inside the bracket a plus b, then into a plus b into a minus b square. So what are the symbols they are using? Bracket, plus, equal to, minus, multiplication, isn't it? So there are a lot of symbols are there. So if you are writing all these symbols, computer will have priority for each operators. Which operator needs to execute at first? Okay. So all these operators you are denoting in the program, but computer will take based on the priority of the operators. A plus B means first it will calculate first precedence it will give to or first priority it will give to which operator. Okay. So this grouping we are calling as an association. See, read the first line. Operators are executed in the order of precedence. That the order, based on the priority of the order only it will execute. So, operands and the operators are grouped in way for evaluation. Based on that only it will do the evaluation. So, this grouping is otherwise called what? Association. What do you mean by association? So, based on the precedence it will do the calculation. That grouping is called what? Association. Understand? So, this is the tabular column for precedence. Listen carefully. This you should know. No need to by God it, but just read it. Okay, first it will take with which one have the first priority. So the symbol they are given, see arrow mark from top to low. That means this symbols will have the first priority. Bracket have first priority. Then plus, double plus, then the second priority. Then into, that is the next priority. Based on that each and every symbols have priority. So in a expression, if you are going to write an expression in the for For example, a plus b into a minus b equal to 5. So first it will calculate which one inside the bracket a plus b. So first it will give the priority inside the bracket. Next it will check which is the priority plus and minus. So it will give the priority for plus and minus. Then minus into likewise. So this is the priority for each. Based on this priority only the operators will run. So each operator will have each name. So just read it. This is no need to by God. Just read it. Okay. So today's portion up to this enough. That then tomorrow we can continue for next. So tomorrow onwards we can continue with the next topic. Okay. Okay. So today you all have studied one very important question. What are the things? Arithmetic operators. Operators in C++, very important. So after completion of this session, please study thorough and write it. Very important question. Okay, sometimes this question you can expect for your annual exams also. Very important question. Again and again telling, please study thorough. Okay, thank you students. Thank you.